Welcome back to our channel, where we turn the ordinary into extraordinary with the right tools and techniques. Today, we're diving deep into the world of automotive paint guns. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional painter, the right paint gun can transform your vehicle's appearance. We've tested and reviewed 7 superior automotive paint guns that promise to deliver top-notch results. From design to durability, we're covering all bases to help you make an informed decision. Let's rev up and get started. Number 1. BAN G4 Buck HVLP Spray Gun. The BAN G4 Buck HVLP spray gun stands out in the crowded market of automotive paint guns with its impressive design and robust quality. This tool is not just about aesthetics, it's a workhorse designed for those who demand precision and efficiency in their painting projects. The HVLP technology ensures a high volume of paint with low pressure, minimizing overspray and waste, which is crucial for both environmental and economic reasons. Its stainless steel construction speaks volumes about its durability, promising years of reliable service. The ergonomic design is not just for show, it significantly enhances usability, making those long painting sessions less taxing on your hands and wrists. The adjustability of the spray pattern, fluid control, and air pressure allows for a tailored painting experience, whether you're covering large surfaces or focusing on fine details. What sets the BAN G4 Buck HVLP spray gun apart is its versatility. It's suitable for a wide range of paints and finishes, from base coats to clear coats and everything in between. The ease of cleaning and maintenance is the cherry on top, ensuring that the gun remains in top condition with minimal effort. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this paint gun is a reliable companion for transforming your vehicle. Number 2. 3M Performance Spray Gun Kit. Next up is the 3M Performance Spray Gun Kit, a game changer in the realm of automotive painting. This kit is the epitome of innovation, combining lightweight design with unparalleled efficiency. Weighing it at almost half the weight of traditional metal spray guns, it significantly reduces fatigue during extended use, a blessing for professional painters who spend hours perfecting their craft. The standout feature of this spray gun is its adaptability. The kit includes a range of replaceable nozzles, allowing you to switch between different paint types and viscosities seamlessly. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for various applications, from base coats to sophisticated finishes. The precision and control offered by the 3M Performance Spray Gun Kit ensure a flawless finish every time, with minimal overspray and waste. Durability is another key aspect where this spray gun shines. Despite its lightweight composition, it's designed to withstand the rigors of a professional painting environment. The easy-to-clean design further adds to its longevity, ensuring that paint and solvents don't degrade its performance over time. For those looking for a blend of performance, versatility, and durability, the 3M Performance Spray Gun Kit is an outstanding choice. Number 3. NEIKO 31207 HVLP Mini Spray Gun. The NEIKO 31207 HVLP Mini Spray Gun is a compact powerhouse, perfect for those intricate painting jobs where precision is key. Don't let its size fool you. This mini spray gun is packed with features that make it a formidable tool in the automotive painting arsenal. Its HVLP design ensures efficient paint usage and reduces overspray, which is particularly important when working on detailed areas or touch-ups. What makes this mini spray gun stand out is its exceptional build quality. Made with high-quality materials, it promises durability and longevity, even in the hands of the most demanding users. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, which is critical when focusing on precision work. The adjustability of the spray pattern and fluid control allows for meticulous customization, catering to various painting needs and preferences. The NEIKO 31207 is also incredibly user-friendly, making it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. The simplicity of use, combined with the ease of cleaning, means that maintaining this tool in pristine condition is straightforward, ensuring it performs optimally for every project. If you're looking for a mini spray gun that doesn't compromise on quality or performance, the NEIKO 31207 HVLP is a stellar choice. Number 4. AEROPRO R500 LVLP Spray Gun. This tool redefines efficiency with its low-volume, low-pressure LVLP technology. This technology allows for superb atomization at lower air pressures, reducing overspray and air consumption without compromising on the quality of the finish. This is particularly beneficial for environments where air supply is limited or for users looking to keep operational costs down. The design and build quality of the AEROPRO R500 are top-notch, featuring a durable body that can withstand the test of time and the rigors of continuous use. The ergonomic design not only looks good but feels great in hand, ensuring comfort and reducing fatigue during long painting sessions. The gun's precision controls allow for fine adjustments of the spray pattern, fluid flow, and air pressure, enabling users to achieve the perfect finish on their automotive projects. What sets the AEROPRO R500 apart is its versatility. It performs exceptionally well across a range of paints and finishes, from thin stains and varnishes to thicker base coats and primers. The ease of cleaning and maintenance is another plus, ensuring that the gun remains in excellent condition, ready for your next project. For professionals and enthusiasts alike, the AEROPRO R500 LVLP spray gun is a dependable choice for achieving flawless finishes. Number 5. DeVilbiss 800 2343 Painting Kit. This kit includes everything needed to tackle a wide array of painting tasks, from detailed touch-ups to full vehicle coats. The inclusion of multiple spray guns in the kit ensures that users have the right tool for every job, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness. One of the kit's strengths is its superior design and build quality. DeVilbiss has a long-standing reputation in the painting industry, and this kit is a testament to their commitment to excellence. The spray guns are ergonomically designed for comfort and control, which is crucial for achieving the perfect finish. The durability of these tools is unmatched, promising years of reliable use even in the most demanding environments. The versatility of the DeVilbiss 800 2343 Painting Kit is another highlight. With adjustable settings for spray pattern, fluid flow, and air pressure, it caters to a broad spectrum of painting needs. The kit's ability to work seamlessly with a variety of paints and finishes ensures that users can achieve professional-grade results on every project. For those looking to invest in a comprehensive painting solution, the DeVilbiss 800 2343 Painting Kit is a standout choice. Number 6. TCP Global HVLP Spray Gun Set. The TCP Global HVLP Spray Gun Set is a fantastic entry into our list, offering exceptional value and performance. This set includes multiple guns, catering to different aspects of automotive painting, from priming to final touch-ups. The HVLP technology at the heart of these guns ensures efficient paint usage and minimal overspray, a must-have for eco-conscious painters and those looking to reduce waste. The build quality of the TCP Global Spray Guns is noteworthy. Constructed to withstand the challenges of frequent use, these guns are both durable and reliable. The ergonomic design enhances user comfort, making prolonged painting sessions more manageable. The precision controls for spray pattern, fluid flow, and air pressure adjustment allow for extensive customization, enabling users to achieve the desired finish with ease. What makes the TCP Global HVLP Spray Gun Set stand out is its all-in-one nature. Whether you're dealing with base coats, clear coats, or specialty finishes, this set has you covered. The ease of cleaning and straightforward maintenance ensure that the guns remain in top condition, ready for your next project. For those seeking a comprehensive set that combines quality with versatility, the TCP Global HVLP Spray Gun Set is an excellent choice. Number 7. Fuji Spray 2203G HVLP System. A premium option for those seeking the ultimate in automotive painting technology. This system stands apart with its powerful turbine, providing the high volume of air necessary for HVLP painting without the need for a separate air compressor. This feature not only simplifies the setup but also enhances portability and flexibility in various painting environments. The Fuji Spray 2203G is designed with both durability and performance in mind. The robust construction ensures it can handle the demands of professional use, while the ergonomic design and lightweight build reduce user fatigue. The system's precision controls allow for fine-tuning of the spray pattern, fluid delivery, and air pressure, ensuring that users can achieve a flawless finish on every project. The versatility and effectiveness of the Fuji Spray 2203G HVLP system are unmatched. It excels with a wide range of paints and finishes, offering unparalleled control and efficiency. The system is also remarkably easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. For those willing to invest in the best, the Fuji Spray 2203G HVLP system represents the pinnacle of automotive painting technology. And there you have it, folks. 7 superior automotive paint guns that can transform the way you approach vehicle painting. Each of these tools offers something unique, from ergonomic designs to versatile functionalities, ensuring there's something for every type of painter out there. Remember, the right paint gun not only makes your work easier but also elevates the quality of your finishes to professional levels. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews. Until next time, keep painting and perfecting.